Hey Dominic, hope you're well today. I miss seeing you today in class and just thinking of you. I know you love K-pop and particularly BTS, so I was super excited to see this new video that they have out. It's amazing that they have 12 million likes and almost 175,000 views of this Permission to Dance official video. I love the vibe in it. I love watching all the people dancing and just having fun, moving around together, whether you're young or old, any ethnicity. It's just so much fun. I can really see why you like BTS and why you like K-pop. My youngest son actually watched it with me the second time, and he loves J-Hope. And I think I love J-Hope too. I mean, how do you not like a performer with the name J-Hope? With everything going on in the world, I love that his name just gives us some hope. So I'm thinking about school and how we can bring this vibe into our school day. I'd love to talk with you next time we meet, which I guess will be Wednesday, and just see your ideas about bringing this song in particular to our school days. And I'd love to have you help me think that through and make it happen. So think about that, and we'll talk about that on Wednesday. I'm really excited about it and hope you will be too. I'll see you Wednesday. Take care.